Hi guys, in today's video I'm just going to be replacing the indicator unit on my Primera GT. I've come back and I've seen someone's hit or smashed the indicator and it's got a hole in it now. So I've ordered a new part, picked it up for about £12 off eBay posted. You could get it cheaper, but I just wanted the fastest delivery just to get it here sooner. But yeah, so we'll be taking this unit out. And okay, to start off with, we're going to have to pop the bonnet. I've already released it, so release the bonnet from the lever there. Don't know if you can see it, but there's a lever there, and we're going to lift that up, and that's going to allow you to lift the bonnet up. We're going to be putting the stay in. Okay, the bonnet is now secure. There's a quick, easy release down here. By the indicator, you've got like a release tab. It's that lever type thing there down here. So you're going to be pressing that lever down. You press it down and you push it out. So you're going to be press it down and then push it out with your finger. I've done that. Let me just do it again and find it where it's gone. Okay, there it is. So there, and that will just literally just pop out nice and easy. And then it's just connected on the. Oh, there's a spider. Yeah. So yeah, all it is just hanging on the indicator wire. So you just give that a quick twist, hoping the spider don't come out. Okay, so that's released now. And yeah, there you go. So that's that. This is the lever I was saying. There's a small little lever tab in here, so you press that down and then push it out. So from the top, what I done was I put my finger in from the top. Press this. I pressed this lever tab and then pushed it out with my finger, and that popped out nice and easy. Yeah, so we'll just be placing this. Obviously, is smashed up in there. I might be reusing this for something else, possibly for like the track car. I don't know, because I've got the whole unit. We could sort of use that to put in a cold air intake direct to the airbox through there, which may require cutting out some in there to obviously have some half decent air just to bore out that hole that we've got there. Not on this one, but yeah, that could be a possibility because this cracked, and I've got the rest of the housing, so it will sit flush. I just drill a hole out, larger hole for a cold air intake, and then obviously put another hole here, and then the rest of it should still sit flush in the original position, so that can be swapped out for track day use. And yeah, so here side by side I've got the replacement with the old. Here's the old one which I'm taking out, here's the new one. Nice, there's no cracks or anything. And yeah, that's another reason that you get cheaper ones for under a tenner posted, but they generally had longer postage time, and some of them had a few like just hairline cracks just here or there, which I didn't really want. This is just headache free again. This is a genuine one as well, so that one's genuine Nissan. This also is the made in France genuine Nissan part. But yeah, so we'll be just fitting that. It's a quick straightforward install. We're going to be putting the bulb in first, and then just making sure that all lines up. Okay, so that's all connected, so we just need to give it a twist to lock it in. So that's twisted in now, that's locked in, and literally these three tabs here, so this one here, and this one need to line in with the old headlight. That's your first click, the first tab's going in there. Second tab with the release, see the gap up there, that's what this bigger one with the smaller one, which is your release tab, that's going to go in there, and then the top tab goes in there, which is this one here. So simple install. It's all just going to line back up nicely, so just line up the bottom, the middle and the top. So there you go, see, it just slotted in, and it's going to push in, you're going to hear a click and you know it's installed. Oh, it wasn't that loud. But yeah, so there's that release tab, and that's all done now. Yeah, and that's how you replace your front indicator on a Primera GT. This is the same across the board with all your P11s, whether it's a GT or not. But yeah, thanks for watching, and yeah, check out my other videos and subscribe like you liked the video. Pretty straightforward how to, and yeah, check out my other videos. Let me know what sort of videos you want to see, and yeah, thanks for watching.